Guys, welcome to our channel. Namaste.
Yes, so babuya.
अब हामीहरूले आज चाउमिन ल्याएको हो अनि इजाबेलाको पनि छ यामा पुरी अनि यो के भन्थ्यो राजमाको झोल ल गाइस अब सुरु गरौँला ल गाइस चियर्स गर्नु कि चियर्स Yummy?
Yeah.
आज गाइस मम्मी चाहिँ आएको छैन मम्मी अब हेर्ने भनेको थियो हामीले कसै कसै भनेर सो आज म र इजाबेलाको मात्रै हो भिडियो त पुरी ट्राई गरौँ राजमाको झोल it's very nice.
Ketchup.
Ketchup. Ketchup more?
Yeah.
More hugging session. Isabella? What grade are you in?
I'm in grade 1.
No.
No, I'm going into grade 1.
You're going into grade 1. You're in kindergarten, no?
No, I'm going into grade 1.
That was so.
No?
Yeah.
Isabella, how was your school today?
It's very good. It's very
Fun?
yeah.
What did you guys do?
Do some letters and do math.
Math?
And my friend made winter and swing.
Summa fellow.
I went into a playground.
Hey, winter playground ma khelyo?
Lisa, तिम्रो यस्तोमा अलि त्यो लुगा माथि तान इनसाइड हाल होइन बाबु उसको भित्रको स्यान्डोको त्यो देखिरहेछ
Oh yeah.
तान न पुल गर भित्र पुल गर हो त्यस्तो
इजाबेला ससेजहरु काटिसकेको रहेछ बिसै खाऊ Yummy? You want to try some puri?
Nope.
Okay. Isabella, तिम्रो स्कुलमा अब के प्ले गर्यो Today, what you play today?
I play letter math.
Letter math?
Yeah.
But Byron, what you guys do? Did you play on the swings, play on the slides?
I can play nothing.
You didn't hear it? Then what you do at recess?
Do nothing. The whole playground is closed. That teacher said.
के गर्यो
Yeah.
प्लेग्राउन्ड क्लोज भएको थियो
Yeah.
You had fun at school, yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
सबै गर्ने
बिस्तारै खानुपर्छ
पानी खाऊ इजा पानी खाऊ
Drink water. तातो पानी है त्यो That one's really hot.
Mommy, my tummy is full.
Wow.
Yeah.
You want to watch it?
Excuse me. Excuse you.
Excuse you. ल guys, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe गरेर नभुल्नुहोस् होला हामीलाई माया गरिदिनुहोस् होला भन्दै हामीहरू अब जान्छौँ
Bye bye.
Bye bye.